there's not much to do around here really. So we have to make our own fun, right? But last Saturday was crazy. Me and Rav, we go to pick up our friend Ashley. He's trying to call himself Ash now, but I've called him Ashley forever. I'm not changing that just because he's trying to ditch his old image. There are these tracks down our friend Grace's that we always used to jump over to get into the town quicker. Never see any trains coming past. But we found out Ash had never been there before, so we headed that way. He's into Grace, big time. He was holding us up though, taking forever chatting to her by the tracks. Me and Rav have already crossed, but now a train was actually coming. So let's just say I gave him some encouragement in front of her. I was telling him to step up, calling him Flash Ash, and he gives me a dirty look. So me and Rav start chanting, go, 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 and he went for it. I was just winding him up. I didn't think he was actually going to do it. That was the closest I've ever seen anyone to a train. Grace was not impressed. Don't think she's spoken to him since. Then we head into the town and get some chips. Standard. Ate mine. Ate Ashley's too. Said he lost his appetite. He still looked pretty grey from the train. Then we go back to Rav's. These places where we always go back to since forever, you know? Big TV, big house, big couch. His mum's chill. We get onto the console till late, but Ashley's talking all tough now, thinking he's all that. So I destroyed it. Then Rav's mum kicks us out for being too loud. So I head home. I can't get over that train jump though. That was mad. Proper dangerous, but no harm done. Right?